Looking for a fantastic, family-oriented, resort-style community in Wellen Park? With new construction homes, amenities, and activities for all ages, just minutes away from Gulf Coast beaches and great schools? Then keep watching to learn more about Lakespur at Wellen Park. We're Josh and Liz from That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. As experts in the Wellen Park area, we have some of the best information you'll find to help answer your questions about all the different neighborhoods, homes, and the lifestyle here. And Josh is a top real estate buyer's agent in Wellen Park who's helped hundreds of families from all across the country find and build homes in every Wellen Park community. We've even helped multiple families find homes in Lakespur, including some of the very first residents who moved in. Josh's great relationship with the builders and their staff, his experience with current and finished projects in these communities, and his background actually working at these types of luxury developments gives you a unique and valuable advantage. Plus, he's your partner who's there to help guide you through the entire process, from finding the perfect neighborhood for you and your family, finding the right home and negotiating the deal, and even checking in on the construction, inspections, final walkthroughs, and he'll be there for your new home orientation too. He's there for it all, and you won't find another agent with his level of experience and commitment to service in Wellen Park. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all, or just want to talk a bit more about what you're looking for in your dream Florida home. Lakespur is a new construction community in Wellen Park, which is a master plan development located in Southwest Florida between the towns of Venice and Northport. Tucked away in a quiet section of Wellen Park, Lakespur provides resort-style, golf cart living and is barely 3 miles away from downtown Wellen Park, where you can find shopping, dining, and entertainment. The community is also only about 12 miles from the stunning beaches of the Gulf Coast. This part of Southwest Florida is known for combining a relaxed, family-friendly, tropical lifestyle in a small town setting, but only a short drive away from bigger city amenities. Residents here enjoy an abundance of nature and outdoor activities, from boating, fishing, hiking, and biking. And being so close to the towns of Venice and Sarasota, there are plenty of family-friendly events, festivals, and activities in the area, including places like the Moat Aquarium, one of our favorites. The Lakespur community is still in the early stages of development, but it's moving along quickly. This neighborhood is ideal for families because of the location, amenities, and the floor plan options. Lakespur is a coastal-inspired community with 80 acres of amenities that include walking paths and trails surrounded by lakes and green spaces. There are also amenity areas perfect for families with little ones, as well as plenty of events and activities for all ages. Another major draw for families is that there are new Wellen Park schools being built right near the Lakespur community, providing convenient access for residents. There are 3 different builders in Lakespur: Pulte, Lennar, and Mattamy Homes. Each builder offers their own floor plans, as well as their own style of homes, finishes, and different price points to suit a range of budgets. Even though Lakespur is fairly new, some of the first residents have already moved in, and the amenity areas are completed. However, there are still plenty of open lots available for homes, and new construction will continue for quite some time. Lakespur in Wellen Park is a gated, resort-style community with beautiful new amenities that just recently opened. Tailored to residents of all ages, you'll find play areas for children and even a fenced dog park for the four-legged fur babies in your family. The centerpiece of it all is the coastal-inspired cabana, where residents can relax and gather with friends and neighbors. Enjoy the sparkling swimming pool and the welcoming fire pit lounge area. The community will also have regularly scheduled events and activities for all ages, including outdoor movie nights, food trucks, games, and so much more. The Lakespur community consists of roughly 138 home sites, and floor plans range in size from just over 1,600 square feet to over 3,200 square feet. So you can choose from smaller, one-story homes or the larger two-story homes that are great for families. There are 3 builders in Lakespur to choose from: Pulte, Lennar, and Mattamy Homes. Having multiple builders gives you more options for floor plans, price points, and finishes. Plus, each builder has a different vibe and style of home, as well as different building processes and different timelines for construction. This is great because you can choose which works best for you and your family's needs. Because every builder does things a little differently, the buying and building process in Lakespur will vary depending on the builder that you choose to go with. This can make it a bit confusing, but no worries, that's why Josh is here to help guide you along every step of the way. As a top agent here, Josh has already helped clients build homes in the Lakespur community, and he's worked with all these builders before. So he's very familiar with their processes and the differences between the builders and the homes that they offer. Plus, he already has great relationships with the staff here at Lakespur and even the different construction managers because of all the projects he has going on and has already completed. So working with Josh makes it easier for you to compare and find the best options for your needs. Plus, you get the negotiation and volume advantages since he already knows from his actual experience what kind of deals he can get for you, and maybe even some bonus incentives you might not have known about. And once the building process begins, Josh will be there to represent you, so there's someone keeping your best interests in mind with the builder. This is why it's important to have an experienced and reputable buyer's agent like Josh on your side working for you. Josh does not work for the builder, he works for you. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or if you want more details on the Lakespur community or any of these builders and the homes they have available. For more information, click on the link below in the description to visit our Lakespur community page on our website. And stay tuned to our YouTube channel and check back to our website for all of our Lakespur model tours. These tours are a great way to experience their most popular floor plans as if you're walking through them yourself. And they're a great resource to refer back to when you're comparing the different floor plan options. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or give us a call, text, or shoot us an email. We're here for you and always happy to chat. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.